guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of beauty reviews on my channel, so if you're interested then please subscribe. Today's video is slightly different. After a very long time I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, so let's see how it goes. I'm really excited. So I'm doing this makeup tutorial. I actually wanted to just show all of the products that are available in the pink box sale, but instead of just showing it, I thought I'll just turn it into a makeup tutorial kind of thing, because I don't have everything, but whatever products I have I'll try to include in this makeup tutorial. For skincare, which is mostly I review skincare products, I have already listed them down in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out. Let's start this tutorial. First of all, as usual, I want to use my moisturizer, which is my favorite one, the Bioderma atoderm fragrance free. This is available in the pink box sale, so make sure that you get it. This is fragrance free, good for dry skin, especially during the winter and monsoon. You can use it if your skin gets dry. So I'm going to start with my moisturizer first. So I'm going to start my eye makeup with this eyeshadow palette. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is very good. Even it beats the high-end eyeshadow palettes also. There's very less fallout, and I like this particular shade range because it's neutral. So most of the times I prefer using this eyeshadow palette instead of my high-end ones, and so affordable. This is in the pink box, so get it if you want an eyeshadow palette in affordable price. So I'll start my transition shade with this particular shade. So to deepen the outer lid space, I'll use this deeper shade over here. Okay, for lighter shade, I'll go with this one. This Lakme Eyeconic eyeliner. This is a very good, nice, affordable eyeliner, but this is almost over and only a little bit dry. It's almost over, so I don't know how I can remove this liner. I just wanted to use and show it to you, but it's totally dried up. Okay, so I'll just skip this because it's like almost dry. And for kajal, I like this Sugar Coal of Honor Intense Kajal. This is very good if you want to try sugar cosmetics, lipsticks and eye makeup products are good, so you can definitely try. I've not tried other face makeup, so I'm going to use this instead of eyeliner and apply it on my waterline and the upper lash line. First apply it. If you have oily skin, then this is the best foundation in the affordable range. But if you have dry skin, try going for some dewy foundation. I recommend the Pack HD foundation. That one is better, but as per the pink box recommendation, I found this one to be like a better choice as compared to any other foundation. foundation looks. Product I forgot to share is the Garnier micellar water. This is a very good micellar water, very affordable. If you normally use very less makeup, like just BB cream or sunscreen and a little bit of light makeup, then this micellar water is good. But usually for foundations and all, I recommend using cleansing balm or cleansing oil. But for light makeup, this is good. You can also add this to your pink box um, if you need it. Last product is this lipstick. It's the MAC Ruby Woo. I have just this one from the whole list. Otherwise, I have Pack Cosmetics other range. That one also is good. But for now, I'm going to use this Ruby Woo lipstick. So this is the finished look. I actually wanted to use the eyeliner, but it's totally dry.